flip this back over. Get the light off. There we go. And just from that, I could tell it was working again. So that's just awesome. Now that everything is off, we can go ahead and get this bad boy back on. And there we go. Now I'm just going to put the case back together and we'll test it out. Now getting to the end of the process here, now all I have to do is basically pull these in and get the back put back on. I got the pins to go on here to go back into there. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get this back together, and then we'll give it the paper test. Alright, let's do the paper blow. See if that works. We're going to try and do that same test we did right off the bat. Got my little piece of paper here. All I'm going to do is I'm going to just try to stick the hose into it and see if I can blow it. Probably won't go far, but just to give you an example of it working. I'm gonna once again put my end on. This will get loud, so I'm gonna stop the video and then I'll record it, but I'll turn the volume down. And yeah, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold this in here and I'm gonna try and do it up as high as I can here so I can try to tip it and see if it works. Alrighty? Here we go. I'm not gonna lie to you, I think that works better than I've ever seen it. I've never seen it blow something that good. Anyways, there you have it. One quick little blow from her. I don't have anything else to blow around right now, so unfortunately that's about all you're going to get out of it for now from me. But I do use this all the time, so I'm glad it's working again. So that is my simple electronic repair for Project 14. So if you haven't yet, go to element14.com/Project 14. Sign up today. Get in on this one. Do a simple repair. You could win $100 for your shopping cart. And hey, free toys. That's a Raspberry Pi. That's a new... Well, I guess I need a few new things here. So, hey, you never know. It could be just little knick-knack stuff you need. So everything tests out perfectly fine now. Everything's working. The USB, the battery meter, even the LED light is working now. So it was a fun little project to get repaired. I had no intentions of having the fuse blow in it, but since it did, it gave me the opportunity to have a look at it and change it, because I've had these in the past, and like I've stated before, they've had on the back usually a spot where you could pull out the fuse and swap it for another one. They were usually blade fuses that were in those. So this one has the bulb, which I put a 10 amp in for now. I will be swapping it for a 15 amp as that's what is requested and required. So I will do that yet, but that is it for me. This thing is considered working, and the compressor part is awesome now. I think it's pumping out a lot more air than it was before, so that is great because now it's going to work a lot better. So I think maybe these have a little flaw in the beginning as well when they're manufactured, because it was never that powerful. So I just used an O-ring, like I said, and I sanded around it and made it fit, made it nice and snug, removed the groove. I'm sure you could buy replacement ones, but I don't have it. I don't know where to get it. So this is what I did. Tried it. It worked. Works really well. The method I did with the O-ring and shaving it down until it fits properly in there. I'd like to thank you all for watching today. I hope you enjoyed my little project here. I know it's probably a little bit longer than I thought it would be. So the reason why I went with the battery pack this time, the booster, was because it's something I hadn't done before, and I've done laptops and computers and video game systems, cell phones, everything else under the sun over the years. I even had my own business doing electronics repair where I would do those, and it was based on a video game console and game repair shop, and then I started bringing in more and more projects because, well, I could do them. So that's why I went with this. I could have picked anything, but I wanted something that I hadn't been into before, and I didn't know what I was doing. So I didn't know what was going to be inside when I first started. I'm glad I took the time to just poke around, look around, and just have fun with this. So thank you for watching, everyone. So that's it for me today. So thank you for watching, everyone. You have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and you take care, eh? See you next time.